Mara higher. Damn. Am I really up that much money? I'll take the screen. Meta, guys. Out of Meta at 180, guys. Out of Meta at 180. Out of Meta at 180 for Super Option Plus. So Super Option Plus out of Meta 180. Those closed at 60 cents yesterday. So out of Meta at 180. Out of Meta at 180, guys. If you're a Super Option Plus member, you're about to get a signal here in Meta. So let me send this out, and then I'll go to the moving average cross. Meta out at 180. These are the 480s. Bought them yesterday. They went straight down in value. Did not hit a stop loss. Per Super Option Plus, guys, in Meta 180. So Super Options Plus. Exit. Sell all Meta for 216 2024. 480 calls for 180. 44% profit. Trade is over. So Metas, guys. Profits in Meta, guys. Profit in Meta here. Profit in Meta here, guys. Profit in Meta. I actually added those at 63 cents yesterday. BTU's up 13 cents. So Super Option Plus, guys. Another winning trade, guys. Super Option Plus, another winning trade. AK is the man. He can't do it. Nobody can. So now it's called Superior Option Plus. Meta, guys. The 480 calls. 180. Wow. The high of the day was 184. So as long as you had that profit target out, you made some money here in Meta. Meta, guys. Meta. Superior Options Plus. Just need to send this out, and then we'll go over all the other possible trades for today. I've added more scanners to my repertoire. KRE higher. AI calls being bought. No, thank you. So Superior Option Plus, guys. Superior Option Plus. Another winning trade, guys. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Target hit at 180. Trade is over. And I actually sold some Bank of America yesterday. I didn't even realize it. So I sold some bank yesterday, puts. I'm more long today than I am yesterday. I got longer yesterday towards the end of the day. I started selling some put spreads out. You know, I sold some KRE put spreads. I bought some more Meta calls. Out of Meta, guys. Out of Meta. Superior Option Plus, another winning trade, guys. Superior Option Plus, another winning trade. Out. What else do I see going on today? Oxy's up a little bit. P&L says I'm up 765. BTU says I'm down. Citi down. Google down. Google's actually up today, so that's fine. USB higher. I'm just offer one at 50 because I wanted to send this out as a Alpha Shark Plus trade. So Meta out, guys. Meta out. Meta out. Mara's still on. Shopify higher. P&L, the combined 2 days, I'm going to be up money on 2 days. ON calls trading here. No, thank you. My shorts are in the notes tab. My longs are in the notes tab. I have a lot more longs than I do shorts. You can look at those whenever you want. Then I wanted to go into the moving average cross, and then I want to go into the 5-minute bar. So Alpha Shark Alpha. Probably no RSIs today. And let's go through these. Apple, no signal. Amazon, no signal. Google, no signal. Meta, no signal. Tesla. I actually sold some Tesla put spreads towards the end of the day. And then Netflix. So no moving average cross longs. Then I'll go to the 5, and then we'll go to RSI. Patterns, routines, recognition. I ended up down about $500 yesterday. And when I was down yesterday, I'm making it up today just in Meta. I gave you that googly trade yesterday, Googleicious. So moving average cross, nothing today. No moving average cross. Next, I'll go to the 5-minute bar. GDX down on the day. Netflix, bear candle above the cloud. So Netflix is not a buy. Apple is not a buy. Amazon is not a buy. Google It says it's a buy, but that's a bear candle, so Google is not a buy. We have Tesla and Meta. Tesla will trigger a buy, 185, 186.18, so 5-minute bar long. Tesla, 185.19, 185.18. So Tesla buy, and then we will go to Meta. Meta no signal, bear candle. So Tesla buy on the 5, guys. Tesla buy on the 5. 1 5-minute bar long. No moving average cross. I'll come in here. I'll add them. Five-minute bar. We do have a buy today in Tesla. We'll track that from that level. And the Tesla buy is at, it's 186 actually, 18. And then moving average cross, we have none today. We still have signals from yesterday. Futures ended up down 70 yesterday, so they were actually up small from when we took our survey. They're up small from when we took our survey. Meta. Out of Meta calls, guys, 180. Nice sale on the open, AK. Great trading. So one exit so far today. We're having a great day in Meta. Other than that, just chilling. Taking off Meta today, and that's about it. Taking off exit and Meta. I actually added at the end of the day. It was such a good signal on Super Options Scanner that I actually added. Meta calls being sold right now, the 480s. No, thank you. I sold the 480s for 180. They trade up to 185. BTU offers out stop loss in, targets offered. GDX offers out, bids in under the market. Shopify giving up some of its gains. KRE. I'll try to take it off at a nickel. USB, I put spreads in that one. I need that one to go above 40.50. The banks are kind of banks are kind of weak here. I mean, banks are kind of strong here. Put trading here, high trading here. I've added 5 scanners, guys. We don't have the back test just yet. Now I'm going to go to my relative strength index, known as my RSI. Sony, it's only traded 200,000 shares, and Upstart probably at earnings. Upstart at earnings, and then Sony, they had earnings as well. So no RSIs. Usually when the market goes up, no RSIs. So no RSIs. So no RSIs, guys. No relative strength, the index. So now we just watch the scanners. Okay, we're through our 3 technical indicators. So now we just watch the scanners. Okay. Now we just watch the scanners. Looking for an opportunity. We don't have to force anything. I'm having a nice day of profits today. Yesterday, futures were down 70. I ended up down about $580. So I did lose money yesterday. This would be out of 5 straight days since I've been tracking. This would be my 4th straight winning day. You know, I try to keep myself in this like spot between like, $4 to $1,200 a day is my profitability and my losses. And we'll see what happens today. Oracle, I was going to add Oracle's here at 75. That's not even close. Cisco with earnings after the bell. Out of Meta, guys. Out of Meta. $10 minutes in the day, no signals. Took in awesome profits here in Meta, so I have less risk on it. I still have the Meta put spread, so I still have the 460 put spread. But I sold all my calls. I sold some of them on the open at 150, and I sold the balance at 180. I've added at 60 cents, so I was happy to take that profit. Redfin, I do have some offered at a dime. I have 5 at a dime, and I have 5 at 15. Just to have an offer out. Mara still in put spreads for personal portfolio on the option money wheel. The 25-24 put spread that expires in 2 days. CVE up a couple pennies. JD up a couple pennies. IRM March 70s trading here. Nothing to do with that one. CVUE, KUVE, I would add at 10 cents. Next week calls, I paid 24. I'm 10-cent bid under the market. It was really good on the back tester. So TLT lift. I guess they said in the report we have 500% growth, and it's actually only 50% growth. One of my biggest position was the structured note and lift, and unfortunately I got called away in that one. So one of my biggest ones was a structured note and lift. Peloton March 28th, 8 trading here, 4 cents. Trip puts trading here, no thank you. 1 5-minute bar, that's in Tesla, that's a loser. No moving average, no RSI. I did sell some put spreads yesterday in Tesla, so I'm still long the Tesla. Google 147 is being sold, still long Google. I gave you guys that as the option money machine yesterday. CVS calls being bought here. I actually have a structure. Buying more CVS 79s, guys. 79s and CVS, guys. CVS 79s being bought. Walgreens I have on. A day of profits, but a day of hanging. So I got Meta at 180. You can see my fill on my timestamp. This is all real money, real time. So I actually have 4 contracts left. I added at 60 cents yesterday in Meta. So I took some off at 150, and then I took the balance off at 180. They did trade up to 184. So as long as you had your profit targets out, guys, for Superior Option Plus, would have got your profit targets. So we can ring the cash register in that one. Like I said, I've been tracking my S&P versus the market. Yesterday down 70, down $592. If today was to close, today I'm up right now 822. Oops, wrong one. Futures up 24. So up $34 per point in the S&P. That's pretty good. So now the futures are in the last 5 trading days. The futures are down 25, and my P&L is up $1,500. So this I've been keeping track of, guys, and everybody should have this. I teach all the education members this. Tracking your P&L versus the market. I did get a little bit long yesterday. Obviously the futures are on 70. I'm going to lose money, but 4 of the last 5 days have been profitable. I always say I'm more confident about my trading than I ever have. CVS hitting every scanner here. I think this has been bad before in the past. I'm actually going to be looking to sell CVS call spreads again. So let me go to CVS here. Ooh, why is that not bringing up? All right, here we go. So penny spike in CVS and then Moonshot. I want to compare both of them. When there's 2 of them, I want to compare both. I'll put the scanner back in a second. I just need to run this real quick. It's not letting me get to the top for some reason. So CVS hitting here, guys. We're going to look at CVS on the penny spike. So CVS 79 is hitting here at 25 cents. So CVS weekly 2/16, 2024, 79 calls hitting at 26 cents. So hopefully I'll get a little pop here. I can sell some call spreads. I'm just waiting for it to run, which is not running right now. So 21.22. Sometimes at night I have to restart the back tester, so let's restart it again. So CVS hitting the tape, guys. I think I'm going to be looking to fade this one, which means I'm looking to sell call spreads here in CVS. So let me go into here and then get this back tester. I want to look at on 2 of them. I want to look at on Moonshots and penny spike, but I think this is a fade more than it is a buy. I think these are going to go to 0. I would not be buying these in CVS, guys. I actually might be looking to sell them in CVS. So once this thing loads, I'll be able to look at it. So sell the 79s to buy the 80s, 76 cents. Probably add it at 79.80s. It's only 12 cents right here. So I'll put an offer out at a quarter. But I don't think I'm looking to buy these. Oh, I tried to put 2,000 of them. That's probably a bad thing. That is probably a bad thing. Let me just wait for the back test to load. It looks like I'm going to look to sell call spreads, guys. I'm not looking to buy these. This is one of those probably guru recommendations that probably goes down, just like Chewy. I'm not looking to take this trade, guys. I'm not looking to take this trade. Shopify put on a put spread yesterday. That one's working out well. That's down in half overnight. So again, having a nice day of profits. I'm down a little bit in BTU. I have a 5-cent bid in BTU. So CVS, okay, so we should be good here. All right, penny spike and CVS. I want it to be like a 3 or under. So I want it to be a 3 or under here. 6 out of 10 actually on penny spike. So 6 out of 10 on penny spike. And then 1 out of 10. So it gives me 7 out of 10. 3.5. I'm not going to look to sell call spreads here, guys. So I'm going to cancel my call spread. I'm not taking these. They haven't been good. They worked on the signal worked on penny spike, but not moonshots. So I'm not going to take this here in CVS. So CVS gives it a 1 out of 10 on penny spike. So CVS, sorry, 6 out of 10 on penny spike. 1 out of 10 on moonshot. I actually have some Bitcoin offered at 52,500. Not filled yet though. I have 1.5 left. I'm looking to sell a half. Then 57,500 and then 62,500. I don't even want to buy it back, to be honest. I'll be happy with it over. So chilling here, guys. I'm taking off Meta. Superior option plus. Got into those at 124. They went to 60 cents yesterday. Boom, turned that front around up to 180. So nice profits in that one. 5-minute bar, 1 signal today in Tesla. That's a loser. Moving average cost, nothing. We saw a short in Tesla. That's a loser. And a buy in Meta. That's a winner. RSI, nothing today. Once again, RSI just continues to crush. Let me make these all black. $12 out of 14 of winners. Alpha Shark signals, those are basically unchanged. We still have the KVUE trade on. Alpha Shark Plus, you get 3 times the amount of signals. I was actually going to send out a signal today in USB, but I did not yet. CPNG is still on. We took that Meta off. Personal portfolio, the best portfolio of the year again. And a lot of these hopefully will flip to 100% winners too. So Oxy's still on. They have earnings actually. BTU. Meta hopefully will be a 100% winner. City hopefully will be a 100% winner. Maro will be a 100% winner. Shopify hopefully will be a 100% winner. So we'll see what happens though. Short puts. I saw a lot of puts yesterday. AMD, NVIDIA, Google, Shopify, Tesla, SILJ, 2025 trading here. Weekly ATM money machine continues to work well. We'll look at the performance there and then profitability. If you guys have been with me for a long time, you know, I go through stretches. You know, I say when I'm making money and when I'm losing money. And I'm just very confident with my trading now that I have these back testers. They tell me what has been done well before. I don't have to guess anymore. Caesars, March 40s trading here. Nothing new. Caesars. I get so excited to wake up every morning. I look to see every stock to see where they're trading. One signal has hit the tape. GDX is down. I look to add to GDX. Those are the March 28th calls. Who did we send that for? I think we sent that for a free trade. So we got an ATR of the GDX. GDX, 74 cents in the ATR, 38 cents in the standard deviation ATR. getting to the RSI of 30. Last time I hit an RSI of 30, it bounced pretty hard. So I'm in GDX. Apple down today. Meta, good sale, AK. Oh, I almost bought Mara calls yesterday. Damn it. They're buying the March H35s. Oh, AK screwed that one up. Verizon, Fab 41s. CVS, I'm not looking to fade. I'm not looking to fade. I'm just not doing anything. Not buying it, not selling it. Gives me a 3.5 out of 10. The 79s for this week. Surprising to see Apple's actually down today. Datadog puts being bought small. 4. CCL calls being bought small. I think KVUE still a good signal. Next week calls. They're unchanged. They're unchanged. I think GDX is still good. Notes tab gives me all my shorts and all my longs. So if you want to know my positions, 3 shorts only: Citi, GM, and JD. And GM will go away after today. Citi will go away after next week. Longs: MRO, SBH, KVUE, BTU, Oracle, Tesla, USB, Mara, Google, KVUE. I put that one in twice. Meta, Shopify, KRE, GDX, and then Google. So a lot more longs than shorts, guys, coming into today. That's obviously why my profitability is higher. LSCC trading here, nothing to do in that one. Shopify, as long as it stays above 77, will be okay. And right now, guys, just chilling like a villain. I just all I have to do is sit here and wait for the signals to come in. It's not a hard concept anymore. I see the signals on the scanner, and we're implementing 5 more scanners, guys, with Backtester. And nothing has hit any of those. So now I'm running, close to 15 scanners with the Backtester. The Backtester is not ready on the new scanners. And I don't know why, but I told my programmer to create the names of the scanners are Batman, Robin, Spider-Man, Aquaman, and Spider-Man, Aquaman, Robin, Batman, and Superman. No really correlation to like how they trade, but I have a very big call. I have a scanner for the scanners. That's actually true. I have a pretty big call with a company based in Australia about putting the scanners on their platform today. But we'll see how that goes. Let me add someone to portfolio. Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is my order. BLNK, guys. Probably nothing will hit the tape. This is probably in a crapshoot. If it looks good on here, I'm going to call it as a signal. If it looks good, I'm going to call it as a signal. My buddy used to own this company. 1 signal, 6 out of 10, so not terrible. BLNK, guys. These are the March 8th, 3.5s. BLNK trade 6 million shares. If you want to take it, you're basically going, 50-50. 50% stop loss, 50% profit target. You could buy the stock, too. I am not going to take this, guys. So, option hacker. Actually, you can call any scanner anything you want as long as it's not correlated to the similar business. So, if I call a Spider-Man scanner, that's why there's so many like AA plumbing, there's AA heating. It's a different business. Buyer, a BLNK. 3/8/2024, 3.5 calls for 44 cents. Like I said, guys, this has hit the scanner once. This has only hit the scanner once in 2 years. And the one time I hit the scanner, 6 out of 10 rating. Your best profitability is 50% targets with 100% stop loss, or 50% targets with 50% stop loss. Takes about took 4 days last time. If you want to take this, I think this is very average. It probably has a very, very small ATR. My buddy used to own this company. I shouldn't say buddy, but someone I knew. Justin Keener. Blink. Charger. I saw him, I'd say hi, but I don't like friendly with him. So Blink hitting the tape, I'm not taking these guys. Blink hitting the tape, I'm not taking these. BLNK hitting the tape, not taking these. All AK's done today is sell meta calls. All she's done. And it's so funny, too, because I have a lot of offers under the market. I have bids under the market. I have offers above the market. I just need us to move. SPY at the money straddle, at the money calls, at the money puts for today. They're implying a 20-point move between now and the day. So futures can be up 45, or the futures can be down. Which way? We don't know. So they could be down or up. JetBlue. I actually used to have a structured note in JetBlue. Yeah, it's not really moving. Meow, meow. They're buying some JetBlue this week at 7.5s. How's my good friend, the Peloton? I was going to sell this week 4 puts every day, every week, and I can't. They're like worthless. Awful. Redfin, guys, I'm trying to hit a target. RDN August 35s. I've never seen this one. Radiant Group. August 35s. Tiny order, though. Ew, those markets are really wide. So CVS I did not take, but I'm also not looking to fade it. So CVS is just a no touch. Lyft is just lifting off. This was one of my biggest structured notes that I had. I do not have a structured note in that anymore. Super option scanner, NVIDIA 750s. I'm not taking these guys, but NVIDIA up $18. My SOSX is probably getting crushed today. That's okay. It's only 434. So NVIDIA, guys, hitting on super option scanner. It's probably good if you want to take this. I can't take an $8.50 call. I guess she gives it a 5 out of 10. So 66 signals. Your sweet spot is 50% profit target and then 100% stop loss. But I can't take these. So super option scanner. Buyer of NVIDIA this week. 750 calls for $8.50. The sweet spot, guys, would be using that 50% stop loss. Sorry, taking it to 0. So it's going to cost you $850 and then a 50% stop loss. So I'm not going to take it here. I don't want to buy an $8.50 call with a lot of time decay. But 5 out of 10 on NVIDIA and Super Option Sando, 66 signals over the last year. And you can see this is your sweet spot right here. There's your sweet spot. We'll keep an eye on it. You know, if you want to take it, you know, reward to risk. You looked good last time. $8.50, guys, on these. Target's gonna be 12.5. Stop loss is gonna be 0. One contract, you're gonna be risking $850 to make $450. So if you choose to take it, you did give it a 5 out of 10. So NVIDIA, ready some market color here. CVS not doing anything. Bank of America, I got really lucky. Got filled on my puts yesterday at 39. I just had an offer out. I went to the gym. I didn't even realize I got filled. So I got filled on these puts yesterday. I was really lucky here. I got filled on it. 39 cents. I had that offer out. CPNG higher, KVUE up a little bit, KRE up a little bit, GDX is down. I have a bid in GDX under the market. Hanging out, waiting for opportunities. I have a target in MRO, those calls at 25. Those don't move. PLTR higher. I was looking at going to sell some put spreads in PLTR. Has not got to my level. BLNK calls are moving up a little bit here. Gave it a 6 out of 10 on the scanner. You know, they're up to 50. They hit at 44. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Hanging out. I saw some Tesla put spreads yesterday. 82.5, 80 put spread towards the end of the day. BTU have a target out at 15. I have a bid in at 5. So BTU, I am the BTU. I am the BTU market maker. They're actually at 10 here. So BTU, 3/8/2024, 28 calls. I am 5-cent bid at 15. I am the bid and I am the offer. At 8 cents, I mean, all I have to do is go to 12. They're $3 out of the money. You have 4 more weeks on these. I don't think they're the worst thing in the world. Futures seem like they wanted to rip. Now are pulling back here. You can see NVIDIA calls are 870. They hit at 850. So if you want to choose to take those, you can. Hanging out, waiting for something to hit. I was so mad. I thought I had a time when the movie was going off tomorrow. I go to a movie every Tuesday by myself. And I thought I had a time for the movie. And I went there, and they're like, we don't have a movie this time. And I'm like, what? And then I looked, and they didn't have anything. So I had to come home and... Oh, I watched the beginning of The Holdovers. It's kind of slow. CAN trading here, nothing to do with that. CAN trading here. Wow. I take the opening bell as the session because I usually think that's when the most action hits. But well, we don't see the most action hitting today. BTU calls. If they hit at 8 cents, I'm going to call it a signal here. If they hit at 8 cents, I'm going to call it a signal. So I'm going to go 8-cent bid for Alpha Shark Plus. I'm going to go 8-cent bid for Alpha Shark Plus. Mara higher, USB higher, everything that's is good for today. My shorts are Citi. Google, I got a weird mark yesterday, so I don't really consider that. Citi's my biggest loser today. Basically short 100 deltas. And I have longs and I have shorts. I could have taken this off yesterday. I didn't want to take it off. I took off BAC yesterday. Still in JD short. ARKK, that's one of my bigger structured notes. Still in that one. Put on some Shopify put spreads yesterday. It's doing okay. Sold some KRE put spreads yesterday. That's going okay. So I just sit here and wait, guys. All my trading is so methodical. Like, I'm not randomly doing anything, right? All I'm doing is I'm looking for technical analysis, and then I'm also watching the scanners, putting the trades into the scanners. BTU, I'm 8-cent bid. 5-cent bid, 8-cent bid at. I'm going to lower it now. Futures, I mean, it's going down a little bit. I'm going to go 7-cent bid. Lift net earnings. I'm not going to take Lyft, guys. Post earnings. I don't take post earnings. So Lyft, guys, hitting option hacker, not taking it. So option hacker, buyer of Lyft. CVS selling off 3/8/2024, 18 calls, 71 cents. So Lyft, guys, Lyft calls being bought. I'm not taking Lyft here. Post earnings, we can go to see how Lyft does in the scanner. Doesn't really matter. I don't want to take post earnings. I got absolutely decimated in NOV post earnings. So Lyft is a 0 out of 10. A 0 out of 10. That's awful on 18 trades. I could look to sell a Lyft. Lyft might have this huge short squeeze. It's up 36%. So I could sell the 18-19 call spread in Lyft. 25 cents. It's not terrible. See if I can get 34 cents. So I'm looking to fade that Lyft trade, guys. The 18-19 here at 33 cents. So I don't like putting post earnings. You know what? I'm going to give myself a cardinal rule. I'm not going to take it. If you wanted to fade this trade, it gives it a 0 out of 10. So it hasn't been good in the past. So if you want, you could sell this signal. So option hacker, buyer of 3/8/2024, 18 calls, 71 cents. If you want to do, you could sell the 18-19 bull call spread, or you could sell the bear call spread. I don't know how you technically consider it. You can get about 25 cents for it, so you're risking 75 to make 25. Break even's 18.25. You do have about 3 weeks on that, so you're going to have that sitting in your account for a while, which is totally fine. But you know that does tie up some capital. So I'll be buying puts, I'll be buying calls, I'll be selling call spreads, I'll be selling put spreads. We're more dynamic than we ever are, guys. We have more options of what we want to trade. We have more possibilities of what we want to trade, and hopefully more profitable trades. And since I started taking over the new system, I'm gonna have longs, I'm gonna have shorts, and $1,500 in 5 days isn't too shabby. And that's with the market down. And I'm more long than I'm short, so that's pretty damn good. Meta calls up to 185. If you have not got a meta and you want to get out of meta calls, you can get out of meta calls here, guys. If you've not got a meta, you want to get out of meta and superior option plus the 480s, you can get out at 180. So they just traded up to 205 in meta. So if you have that profit target out, you can get out of that profit target now. Meta. You want the meta. FRO. I bought the SOSX. Roblox and Moonshot Scanner. I think we saw these yesterday. I think it's a very okay trade. So let's go to Moonshots in Roblox. 44s, guys, 33 cents in Roblox. 6 out of 10. It's okay here. 50% profit target, 50% stop loss. It's okay here in Roblox. So the 44s, guys, if you want to take these, the 44s, they're okay here at 31 cents, 33 cents. So we want to take these are okay here. Moonshot Scanner. Buyer of Roblox. 6 out of 10. So I feel like calling out this as a signal. Just because I haven't called anything out today. I've called one exit. So Moonshots is okay here, guys. It's an okay trade. Your sweet spot is going to be 50-50. I'm actually going to get some at 33 if I can. I'm going to get some at 33. And someone's about to get a trade. Oh, I didn't get filled. So Roblox, let's see if the low is in for the day, how high I can get. I am 33 bid, guys, in Roblox. It's okay here. I give it a 6 out of 10. Can get it to 44.18. 33 cents, guys. I am bid if I get filled. 16 stop loss. And then 49 is a profit target. 50-50. 70% win rate over the last 2 years. So not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I did not get filled at 33. I was trying to get him at 33. I'll leave it in for about 10 more minutes here, and we'll see what happens. Zed Roblox. And, you know, good thing we didn't take CVS. Our scanner says CVS. No bueno. AK, don't take those. Those are down in almost half. They are down in half. Nice. Roblox, I would have a 16-cent stop loss with a 49-cent target. 16-cent stop loss with a 49-cent target. That's what I would do personally. GM call spread's hopefully going to go to 0. Another winner. I'm going to put a penny bid in. See, 1 penny bid. I'm going to put in a goody cancel order. Meta back to 180. Roblox climbing, guys. Roblox climbing. Roblox, I have a target at 44. Oh, go. So Roblox, guys. CAR. So Roblox. Oh, I'm going to cancel my Roblox. Oh, look at Roblox go. Oh, AK. Could have had a nice winning trade here in Roblox. 49 would be my profit target, guys. 49. If you got in at 33, you want to get that 50% profit target. 50% profit target, right? Right here. Why 33? Right here is 70% win rate, 50-50. So now more trading here. Roblox. I canceled my bid, so I'm not bid anymore. Looks like they actually sold them here. So if you want to take it off for a small profit, you can. If you want to, ooh, let me go to Roblox. They're 38.39. I'm not bid anymore. If I don't get filled, I don't like to leave a resting bid in. That's just kind of me. Don't want to leave that resting bid in. P&L $925. Roar! All I've done today is take off Meta. Took off 4 Meta calls, so actually reducing risk in my account. GDX bid in under the market. KVUE bid in under the market. All right, let me stop this recording, get the new one going.